Hey you guys, welcome back. You guys have been loving my farmhouse DIYs, so I thought I would do another one for you guys. And this is what I will be showing you guys how to do today. So if you'd like to know how I did this, then please keep on watching. So everything was purchased from the Dollar Tree if I didn't already have it. So you'll need 4 clay pots. This I already had, but you'll need a wood tray, some chalk paint, a paintbrush. You'll also need some moss of your choice, either green or brown. You'll also need some foam, and then also some pillar candles, some ribbon of your choice, and then also some twinkle lights. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I did was grab my chalk paint and I gave the clay pots a light layer. I wanted to do the farmhouse rustic look, so I went very light-handed with it, and I wasn't very too neat with it either. And then once they were dry, I went ahead and grabbed my foam and I cut it directly in half, and I stuck one piece into each of the clay pots. And then once you decide which moss you're going to go with, you're going to go ahead and add that to the top of the foam inside of the clay pots. And then you're gonna hot glue your ribbon around the clay pots. I went with black because I have a lot of black in my living room area and my kitchen area, so I thought that this would be the perfect color to make them really pop and stand out with my other decor. Once I was done doing that, I went ahead and started to add my twinkle lights around the clay pots. So I wanted to try to hide the twinkle lights, so I grabbed these flowers also from the Dollar Tree. I took them off the stem and then I just started to add those inside of the box. And then your last step is to go ahead and add your candles on top of the clay pots. And this is the finished look. Now I will probably have this off most of the time, but I wanted to turn the candles on just so you guys could get the full effect. But please be careful, if you do turn on the candles, you want to be sure that you're around and someone is always vigilant. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you guys think, and please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I hope you guys subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.